Hi dears, welcome back to JK's Craft Hours. Today I am showing an unboxing video of the seeds I have purchased from affordable organic stores. I have already done a video about their store. They have organic seeds only. That's why I am preferring their site. I will put the link in the description box and also the code. By typing the code, you will get a 1% discount on your purchase. As you see, there will be around 4 or 5 covers are there to protect the seeds from water, and their packing is very good and I preferred mostly and I like that very much. I have purchased around 8 seeds. Among that, I will get a paper. In paper, there will be a bill and it show our address and the seeds I have purchased. And there will be one letter by writing us thank you for purchasing the seeds from the affordable organic stores. And if you buying so much time, you will get some discount from their site. And I think I have purchased the seeds from affordable organic stores 4 or 5 times, and each time I am buying, I am loving their seeds, and their packing is very good and I like that very much. I have purchased 8 seeds and I got 1 seed free. I am so happy to say about that. And also, if you have purchased around 200 rupee or about 200 rupee, you will get a seed free and also a grow bag also free. So it's very useful. These are the seeds I have bought: sweet corn, tarkakari, and ghost pepper. Ghost pepper is the most hottest pepper in the world. And next is lavender. I don't know whether lavender will grow in our country, and I will try for my best, and I will shortly do the video in my YouTube channel. And strawberry also I have bought, and some more seeds I have bought. This is the seeds I got by free. I think it's a white flower. I will plant soon. I will put in video and the what are the potting mixture I have used to plant such a plants. I will show you, and I am unboxing one or two seeds to show to you. These are the seeds I have bought. I got 3 or 4 seeds, only 20 rupee. This ghost pepper and lavender be 35 rupee because it's so costly plant. So only its money is high, and when comparing to other sides, it's not too high. All other seeds I have bought 10-50 rupee also, and 20 is most buyed one. And in our channel, a giveaway is going on. You can also participate in that giveaway. Giveaway will be ending on July 3rd. And stay tuned and have